Are you interested in starting a vegan diet but don't know where to begin? You're not alone. Many people are curious about the benefits of a vegan diet but are unsure of how to get started. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step approach to starting a vegan diet. You'll know the biggest mistakes you must avoid, and you'll also discover which method is best: cold turkey or gradual transition. First, let's define what a vegan diet is. A vegan diet is one that excludes all animal products, including meat, dairy, eggs, and honey. People choose to follow a vegan diet for a variety of reasons, including ethical, environmental, and health concerns. Research has shown that a vegan diet can have numerous health benefits, including lower rates of heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into the specifics of vegan nutrition. One of the most common concerns about a vegan diet is whether it provides enough nutrients. The good news is that a well-planned vegan diet can provide all the nutrients your body needs. It's important to pay attention to both macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates, and fat, and micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. Protein is often the nutrient that people are most concerned about when it comes to a vegan diet. However, there are plenty of vegan sources of protein, including beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, nuts, and seeds. Iron is another important nutrient that can be found in vegan sources such as spinach, lentils, and fortified cereals. Calcium can be obtained from plant-based sources such as kale, broccoli, and fortified plant milks. Vitamin B12, which is essential for nerve function and red blood cell production, is not naturally found in plant-based foods. However, it can be obtained through fortified foods or supplements. If you're ready to start your vegan journey, you should begin by evaluating your current eating habits. Take note of the animal-based products you regularly consume and start brainstorming plant-based alternatives. Setting achievable goals is crucial, as sudden drastic changes might overwhelm you. Consider gradually replacing one animal product at a time or opt for vegan substitutes. The next step is to build a plant-based pantry. Stocking your pantry with vegan-friendly staples is a key step in ensuring a successful transition. Fill your shelves with whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats, as well as legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. Include a variety of fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, plant-based milks, and condiments like nutritional yeast and tamari. The next step is a crucial one: educating yourself about vegan nutrition. To thrive on a vegan diet, understanding nutrition becomes vital. Ensure you're meeting your daily requirements for macronutrients like protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, as well as essential micronutrients such as iron, calcium, and vitamin B12. Familiarize yourself with plant-based sources of these nutrients and consider consulting a registered dietitian for personalized guidance. We posted links in the description to videos where you can find out more about these foods. A final step is to experiment with vegan recipes. Make your vegan journey exciting by exploring new recipes and experimenting with plant-based ingredients. The internet offers a vast array of vegan recipes, ranging from simple to gourmet. Start incorporating them into your meal plans and discover the delicious possibilities of vegan cooking. Common mistakes to avoid. One common misconception about vegan diets is inadequate protein intake. However, plant-based protein sources are abundant and diverse. Incorporate legumes, tofu, tempeh, seitan, edamame, quinoa, and plant-based protein powders into your meals to meet your protein requirements. Another big mistake is relying too heavily on processed foods. While vegan substitutes like plant-based meats and cheeses can be convenient, it's essential not to rely solely on processed foods. They can be high in sodium, unhealthy fats, and additives. Focus on incorporating whole, unprocessed plant foods as the foundation of your diet. Ignoring nutrient supplementation is also a big mistake many vegans do. Vegan diets can be nutritionally complete, but certain nutrients may require special attention. Vitamin B12, primarily found in animal products, is one nutrient vegans need to supplement. Additionally, consider monitoring your iron, omega-3 fatty acid, and iodine levels, as they may require additional attention in a vegan diet. Don't make the mistake of falling into a rut of eating the same meals repeatedly. Aim for a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, and spices to ensure you're obtaining a broad spectrum of nutrients. Experimenting with different ingredients will keep your meals interesting and nutrient-rich. Cold turkey or gradual transition, which one is recommended? The decision between transitioning to a vegan diet cold turkey or gradually is a personal one. Both approaches have their benefits, and the choice ultimately depends on your personality, preferences, and circumstances. Transitioning cold turkey can provide a sense of commitment and a clear starting point. It allows for an immediate understanding of the challenges and rewards of a vegan lifestyle. However, it requires careful planning, as you'll need to ensure you have adequate vegan-friendly options available from the beginning. Gradually transitioning, on the other hand, provides a more gentle and flexible approach. You can start by adopting a meatless Monday routine, or gradually replacing animal products with plant-based alternatives. This method allows you to adjust at your own pace and gives you time to explore new recipes and foods. Speaking of foods, check out this next video to find out the top protein-rich foods you can eat on a vegan diet.